Lesson 7. A few more verbs. To run is kutamanga.
Kutamanga.
To lie is kunama.
Kunama.
And this is lying like being deceitful. To complain is kudandaula.
Kudandaula.
That D, the first D was too strong. Kudandaula.
Kudandaula.
To hide is kubisa, and that's when you hide something. Kubisa.
Kubisa.
And to hide yourself is kubisala.
Kubisala.
So I am hiding is ndikubisala.
Ndikubisala.
But if you want to say I'm hiding this thing here, ndikubisa.
Ndikubisa.
Exactly. To jump is kulumpa or kudumpa.
Kulumpa, kudumpa.
To walk, kuyenda.
Kuyenda.
To read, kuwerenga.
Kuwerenga.
To run, kutamanga.
Kutamanga.
End of lesson 7.